Hi, this is a 15-minute dance workout. We are bringing in some body weight strength with no jumping. It's beginner friendly, fun, and perfect to get fit and strong. Let's dance!
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're
그 분량은 말도 안 돼 나를 봐봐 널 위해 많이 고민했어 고른 멜로디 이 노래 듣고 네가 좋아해줬으면 좋겠다 나를 봐봐 I think about you every day 꿈을 꿔봤자 하늘에 소리 질러봐 힘을 내줘 이렇게 힘을 내줘 어디로 갔는지 몰라도 우리 함께 alright 손을 잡아 힘을 내줘 내 곁에서라면 그대 늘 바랬던 It's my life 너와 꿈을 향해 이 노래 부를게 I'm okay, I'm okay 넌 괜찮아, 괜찮아 다 이겨낼 걸 무서울 게 없잖아 Why don't know that 이제 그만 숨지 마 고개를 들어 나를 봐주길 바래 우리는 언제나 영원해 나를 봐봐 I think about you every day 꿈을 꿔봤자 하늘에 소리 질러봐 힘을 내줘 이렇게 힘을 내줘 어디로 갔는지 몰라도 우리 함께 alright 손을 잡아 힘을 내줘 내 곁에서라면 그대 늘 바랬던 It's my life 너와 꿈을 향해 이 노래를 부를게 이토록 아름다운 곳 우리는 힘을 합쳐 이곳을 함께 지켜 tonight yeah. 여기 내 손을 잡아 너의 꿈을 안을게 이제 나 이렇게 우리 함께 힘이 돼줄게 네가 어디 있건 간에 내가 힘이 돼줄게 이제 내 손을 잡아
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Great work, everyone! Thank you for dancing with me today. Please hit that like button and subscribe to KeikoFlex. I drop beginner-friendly home workouts every week. And don't forget to check out my channel for more workout styles. Let's work out with me again. See you soon!